it's Christmas time, and Christmas has exploded in the grocery stores with muy expensive trees. Look, that is what, how much was it? 145 for a tree. Those ones down there, even more expensive. Munchkin's mad because it's not Christmas time yet. It's what? Halloween. Who cares about Halloween? Okay, so that's why we're here actually. We were supposed to go downtown to try and look for a Halloween costume, and the time just ran away from me today. Doing what? I don't know. But the time ran away from me. Are those sweet potato fries? So we're gonna go to the store instead and see if we can find anything so that this one can look like who again? Jimi Hendrix. We might be able to find bell-bottom pants for sure. That Western stuff might take, that fringe shirt, yeah, that might take some creativity. Let's see what we find. You know, I don't know if I like that hairstyle, yeah? And suddenly the fat in my face just said jump out at me like, yeah man, we need to start lose back some weight. Jaja. Anyways, let us see what we can find in my favorite department store. I'm almost tired to see that story on YouTube now. But I'm not like a high fashion girly, so the things that I find in here do mighty well for me. Mighty well. Let's see what we can find. Case in point, and I think these pants are très cute. And she over there in her androgynous look as usual, but I think I'm très cute in my little $10 pants. The costume was secured. We got a little bootleg costume working with, even though I had a brilliant idea midway for her to be Spice, because the party is celebrity themed and I think Spice would be the perfect Jamaican celebrity. We would just have to figure out where to get a blue wig and how to like tame the afro to go under the wig, and that's a little bit too last minute. Like the brilliant idea came to me a little too late, but it's all right. We got a costume that's not really a costume, so it's clothes you can wear again. So sticking with the original idea worked. Stay tuned to see Miss Jimi Hendrix leave the house tomorrow. Did my lashes. How y'all like them? There's my girl Karen. Karen has been one of my best recommendations since I've been here. She has been doing my lashes for 2 years now. Like, she first did my lashes and I just stayed because she slays every time. Thank you, Karen. I'll see you in 3 weeks. This is the reveal of the costume. You have to stand up like one rock star. I'm gonna understand.
I don't know what they stand like.
Wait, go back that way. What do you mean I don't know if I stand up like rock star? Stand up like a rock star. Does she look like Jimi Hendrix, guys? So she looks like a hippie. She looks like she's from the 70s, and the headband is definitely style Jimi Hendrix. The t-shirt says I'm with the band, so I don't know, maybe she's like a Jimi Hendrix groupie or something. Have fun at your Halloween party. Bye. You can't get more look a rock star, stand up.
I don't know what they stand like.
She just boring, so pretend you did have your guitar in your hand. Goodbye.
Don't want nobody else around. When I'm with you, baby, nothing really matters. So like think